Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris from New York, Westchester County. It's July 2nd, 2020, and I'll tell you, the last couple of weeks, I have heard more shit on the radio. Look, okay, just lay it out, I mean, this is all bullshit. This is all because of flat Earth. I'm sorry, including the virus, okay? It's all because of flat Earth. A couple of quick questions for you. With this killer virus, which, by the way, I have had several COVID positive tested patients in my fucking van, and I'm fine. Nothing. Not even a cough or a sneeze or a sniffle. Nothing. Anyway, my point is, if this virus was contagious as they said it was, the first fucking thing that they would do is they would shut down all airports, every single one of them. No airliners going in or out. They were open the whole time. As a matter of fact, you can get a flight down to Florida right now probably for like $37. First thing that they would do, trains, subways, shut down, everything. Every single fucking thing. Food, gone. Every store, liquor stores, absolutely not. You gotta be sharp. You can't be bombed. But yet everything was open the entire time. And now we were just about to go into phase 3, but that asshole Cuomo decided to pull back because in another state they had another breakout. Yeah, that's our fault, These restaurant fucking owners are dying to open up. Even if they do open up, they can only open up to 50% capacity. They're not going to make it through this, okay? These politicians who think they're fucking doctors, who don't know a fucking thing about how viruses are transferred from one person to another because they have to be injected. They're not going to be flying around. His reasoning was because it's airborne and it'll get into the air conditioning unit. Really? Well, that's funny because all the hospitals have that. I said, what? And the hospitals were open the entire time. I know. I've been to several of them. It's so simple. What about cash money? Cash, paper. Why is the virus going on paper? I thought you said it could live on, surfaces for 14 to 15 days. No, then they changed it, and then they brought it back. Now it's only 3 days or 4 days. You see the contradiction with all of these politicians? They don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're going from day to day to day and just changing rules as they go. Okay? You know something is bullshit when you know they can't come up with a plan. They don't know what to do because it's all bullshit. Total nonsense. And if you buy into this and you are voluntarily wearing your face mask, you are the problem. Okay? And they thought nobody would buy this. But they bought it hook, line, and sinker. Just look at the people that are running around in their fucking shorts, wearing face masks, walking their dog, driving their car with their face masks. And there's nobody in the car. Who do you think you're saving? Who do you think you're saving? You're saving nobody. Nothing's airborne. The air is clean. You're not going to die. Fuck, I had so much other things. I just lost my concentration. I mean, this virus is pissing everybody off because I know you've had it. You've had enough. I've had enough. But now I know who really the trained rats are. I don't even want to say trained rats. I just want to say the people who are just bumbling through life, not knowing what the truth is, not knowing flat Earth, not knowing anything, and can't think for themselves, and they just don't. It's like, I don't know. I mean, it really is. Maybe they are part of the program. Maybe they are part of something that we just don't understand. You hear what I'm saying? Where I'm coming at on this? You chose to be here. If you're real and you're smart and you know what's going on around you and you know where you live, you're not part of the program. But for the other ones that are out there that are just sleepless, hopeless, that can't think for themselves, that can't open their minds to alternate ideas, they're part of the problem. Okay? We're not. Waking people up a flat earth, wow, it's worked so well, hasn't it? But the problem is now that these drones, or you want to call them that, are busy thinking about the virus and how they're going to get sick, there's no chance in hell of waking them up. And that's the problem. And they've also got us running against each other too. How do you divide people? Not only with race, but how do you divide people just period? Every culture, every mix, every match, how do you divide them? Well, you force them to wear a face mask. Some people are going to rebel, like myself, who refuses to wear one. Unless if I have to go into a store and get a cup of coffee, that's the only time you'll ever catch me with. Or I have patients in the car, because the nursing homes require that. So there's nothing I can do. If I want to keep my job, I'm going to have to do that. All right? But and when it comes down to me walking downstairs through my building, fuck you. I'm not wearing any fucking face mask. You gotta be kidding me. You feel like you need to wear one? Good. Wear it. Stay home. All right? Don't even come out. Stay in your fucking home. Don't come out. You don't. There's no reason for you to come out. You got Prime to deliver, Amazon Prime to deliver everything you want, because that's all I saw out there. Oh, it was such. I'll tell you, when this first happened, driving was just a joy. Not a single person on the road. I loved it. No traffic, no nothing. Just Amazon Prime trucks and FedEx trucks. That was it. That's my experience. Going through this and working and not collecting any money from the government. But you see, the thing is people were making so much money staying home but they couldn't spend it except on Amazon. I'm just saying, people who are wearing face masks, stay home, okay? Don't come out. It's not safe yet. It's not safe. Cuomo's already said it's not safe yet. We're not over this. We still got a long ways to go. Let's milk it as long as we fucking can. I thank you for subbing and thank you for viewing my videos and let me be a part of your life.